Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to claim free crypto through airdrops. Airdrops are a great way to get free tokens from crypto projects looking to grow their user base. Here's how you can participate safely and effectively. First, you'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure it's secure and ready for transactions. Next, follow trusted sources like CoinMarketCap or official project websites to stay updated on legitimate airdrop opportunities. Airdrops often require simple tasks like following social media accounts, subscribing to newsletters, or using decentralized apps. Some projects may require you to hold specific tokens or interact with their blockchain. Once you've completed the required tasks, connect your wallet to the project's official website to claim your rewards. Be cautious. Never share your private key or seed phrase, as scams are common. Double-check the project's legitimacy before participating. After claiming your airdrop, the tokens will appear in your wallet, though it might take some time. It's an easy way to get involved with new projects and grow your portfolio. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.